Hey guys, it's Randy again. Jamaica Good Life. Subscribe and like it. So I want you to sit back and relax. And don't forget JamaicaHealthBox.com. Go there and get your cleanse for your whole system. And go there and get your Noni Detox Bisvera Cleanse. But your Lion Ready multivitamins. Definitely. That multivitamin right there, it's natural. When people say I don't take pills, these are not pills. You could actually open the capsules and put it in water and shake it around. Peace and love, my people.
Yes, people. Randy here. Going to the farm. Gonna get some breadfruit today. It's Sunday farm day. Bicycle for the heart. That's where the love starts. And people, make sure someone bring a bicycle when you're gonna retire. It sets your heart on fire. You can go biking on Sundays. Yes, people, this is Randy. I'm back at the farm, and this is how the trees, the storm, I'm back, it's been a while. This is what the storm did, burial into the farm. No, it's breadfruit season, so I came to get some breadfruit. Welcome to Jamaica Good Life. I'm Randy Pottinger, and I hope your life is beautiful. As you can see, in Jamaica, so much things are free. In this life we call heaven on earth in Jamaica. This is Jamaica Good Life. I want to send a shout out to my friend Mitchie Boo. Remember to go to her channel, Mitchie Boo. And to Tony, my friends from Australia. And to all my friends that are ill, get better soon. Look at that breadfruit up top there. Somebody got to get me a climbing outfit. So when you come meet me, we could climb together. I got a lot to show you in Jamaica, especially my fans that's been with me for so long. This is Randy for Jamaica Good Life. Now it's breadfruit season, mango season is done, and just a lot of these breadfruits are just going to fall off the tree. So avocado season is coming soon, and this is what it's like living in Jamaica. It's freedom. It's things are just free. I recommend anyone to buy land and plant your trees in preparation for your retirement. This is what I've been advocating for a very long time, but it seems like people are not listening. Food prices and the weather is going to always change, but when you plant trees, the storm will come, but some of the trees will remain. But as far as always planting crops, as you can see, we're going to start picking avocados shortly. This is Jamaica Good Life. Is your host Randy Pottinger. I wanted to find a life for my people. I wanted I taught them change and balance being God tool. This is it, people. This is what God intended us to live. We're not supposed to eat so much food underground. Pick it, pull it, or pick it up. The 3 P's for your health. This life is just heaven on earth. Thank you, avocado tree, for coming back to me. I was lonely when you left, and I'm back. And we're going to take some avocados to the elders. Walking in peace and tranquility to meet the man himself, the greatest Jamaican that ever lives, Captain Jack. This is Randy. They say I'm the girls them candy. Big up to my friend, what's her name? Sandy. I'm speaking English today for all my fans that don't have to worry about me speaking patois, so you could follow along. Now these are called apple trees. Now for these to catch, you need a lot of water. So now the storm came and it did a little damage, but it's part of life. Still looking for that good wife. Whew. Say to my fan says, Randy, why does it take so long to find a woman. Hey, there's a lot of stress out there, people. And I'm a tough guy. I'm 51. I'm pretty much retired at 51, and many people are not retired yet, and I'm done building homes, done having kids. And now this is just how I live. I get my tea, I get my camera, I come to the farm, I meet the greatest man, we chit, we chat, we break bread, and we mind our business. In Jamaica they say, mind your business and shut your mouth. That is what this life is about. So if you do that, you'll be okay. Send love out to my mother and brother. Go to Africa Good Life, because we're about to launch Africa Good Life. This is Randy. Again, Jamaica Good Life. If this is your first time, stay with us. Click on the playlist and look at all the videos. We're about natural, precious, godly life. We're about freedom. We're about land ownership. We're about change and balance, which is what God is, a change and a balance. Now as you can see, I don't have my climber. And let me tell you something, people. I gotta get my climber and I'm gonna strap it on. You gross breadfruit, I'm coming for you. Oh, I like breadfruit. I love them roasted. Yeah, man. Oh, man. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. The greatest man in the world. Forget about Jamaica. The greatest man in the world. Nope, nope, nope. I'm anointing you, the greatest man in the world. There's no greater than Captain Jack. Let me ask you this. Does Usain Bolt have as much plantain trees as you? No. Does Usain Bolt... Can Usain Bolt make John Connor drum? No. Can Usain Bolt catch shark? No. Can Usain Bolt dive? No.
Jamaican have a history, man.
No. You're the only history. Can Usain Bolt make musical instrument? No. Can Usain Bolt play the fife?
But we are different.
No, no, I'm talking about the greatest man in the world. Does Usain Bolt have trees like this? No. How much people you feed without money? Thousands. Huh? How many free fish you gave away? I'm not saying you're Jesus, but you feed the village with fish and food. Some people only feed the village with fish. You did fish and food and music. Now you seen why you're great? Huh? How you feeling?
Well, not bad because I have to take 3 days rest. When I have a back problem now, when I have a full muscle and it hot up and I have to take 3 days rest, man.
Okay, you had to rest.
Yeah, man, this morning we start right now, walk from this something calmly. You use the warm remedy, man, and feel much better today, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
I have a nice lady. She's going to tell me what to rub on your back for the pain. Let's get on to here. Hold on 1 second. This is the Olympics. Randy's about to take the bend, and Randy's about to bend, and Randy's bending. Watch the back. This is the Olympics of barbed wire fence. Don't slip under there. You know, when I fell in Portland and broke my hands. Uh-oh. Whatever you do, watch the chores. Uh-oh, it got my belt. Oh, the Olympics of the barbed wire fence. Watch yourself, Randy. You're the girls I'm counting. You could do it. Uh-oh. Here we go. No scratch.
No, it's what I'm talking about. Just the other day I do this and you know when I start it and you see what's going and it's me alone. And I still down there here every day. And it plant out already.
I thought you said it was you and God.
See, plant right out already, planting and banana.
That's planting and banana in one location?
Yeah, I'm gonna finish this row now. This row is not finished. I true I feel, never feel well, I have to leave it. We already started and I have to leave it. I have a row now if we come cross straight go.
Wow.
I'm going to see if I can do it today.
So how did the storm treat you?
Oh, very bad. But it could be worse, brother, because enough of the things I'm standing on enough.
Oh yes, you have
I
a...
could go through cut off and they're moving so fast I couldn't believe it either.
Yeah.
Because what I cut off they move so fast, it's come like no storm will pass through. They move so fast. Them growing so fast, it's like them growing more than the ordinary. It astonished me if you see them moving so fast when they go through and cut off and transplant. Now these is all what the storm blow down. Take the sucker, the root them cut off the top, take the root them and plant it through here. These are all what the storm blow down.
Got it, you replanting.
So we replant it
over
this
there.
section, yeah. So nothing go to waste. Everything put back to use. We have some pear tree up the top, they then blow right out the root complete. But that is not my problem because here I don't show out here because they're going to use up here. So some of them, about 4 or 5 of them up here gone right out. So we have to try to put this place together right now.
You're doing good. This is amazing. I remember when you just started. There's a guy who called me and he's gonna send me 50 for you. I didn't get back to him. I'm saying want to help with the fence. He sent me 50, but I have to look at my phone and get back to him. He's gonna send that for you. Well, yes, my brother. Look at this. Any help is good help. It's been a while. I've been sick.
Yeah, not sure me because my mind is on you to say what's happened, but
Yes.
I said I'm going to check it out.
I've been feeling a little down.
Yeah. So me says that is your problem, but you know God is God.
Yeah.
I'm making work on it.
Oh, this is so nice.
Yeah, God is God.
You mount up all the grass. You cut down everything.
That's what your farm is done, brother. You have to know what to do, how to treat it. Now, I'm gonna plant pear sugar cane inside here. We're gonna have planting banana and sugar cane, pumpkin, and all those things. And over here is creek. The place is creek. Very creek.
Wow.
So I'm going to run through pepper, cocoa, banana, planting, pumpkin, cassava. Gonna ride through here, Galamba. But what I don't know, so over there bushy, leave it for last because it's easy for hunger. Oh, this what I'm doing is harder. Left the easier one for last. First time country people now always then call it badu.
Badu.
Is that thing eat like dashing. Some people pull it, put it down and make it dry. Is that thing, I don't know, but it eat waxy, powdery, it eat a different way. They're gonna put copper root inside here too. Well, the place is kind of water. If you notice, I have to trench it to sink the water down. If I don't do that, the place is kind of watery. When the rain falls, the whole place.
So you run the trench through the land?
No.
On the sides?
At the side to take out the water from the plant in the middle.
Oh.
So you don't
So
run
the
and
water
wash.
distribute through the ground?
Yes. You don't run and wash anything. Just put it, that's it. When it come heavy, You have a way to go away. You
It
understand?
soak away.
Yeah, you have a way to run away. But when the rain falls, it's like a water bed is here. Yeah, water is running through here.
Okay.
So
Because
have
it's
to trench around it now to take away the water.
a riverbed.
Yes, have to trench away to take the water. Because what I understand now, they're gonna use the top. They take away the whole of piece of mine at the top now. So what me do? Take the bed now in the sink. That means replace back that we didn't take away because down here so it's a water bed. Nothing cannot down here so.
How has the fishing been?
Fishing never too bad. Kind of poco, but one fish when they run the other day when I go down there. Man was catching snapper and so forth. I catch one 9-pound one and one 8-pound. But it's not the same night. The following night and the following night. And I get little something. But them was finding them before me when I find them late. Watch it up on your foot.
Oh, sorry.
That's it. One fish was going, but them still going, so I don't go see in the moonshine. So in the dark now, the dark is coming right now. You have about an hour dark right now. So next week, I done it. So I try to do what I can do this week.
Well, my brother, my seat. We made it through the storm. We had electricity before everybody else in Jamaica.
Me have it early too.
So Montego Bay is blessed.
Me have it early. About a week after.
You plant potato too?
Yes, I'm gonna plant potato. Yes, I'm there potato.
Wow.
But what me put there is catch crop. When we finish now and those spreader, me go start to cut off of those and plant. So you plant it now to make it start to run and spread, then you catch off breed crop off it to plant back. You understand? Because you catch crop. So me plant them now. By the time I'm ready, me have a more amount can cut off to transplant. That you call catch crop.
Yes.
You want me plant the whole thing already? If you can't see, what can look at you?
Let me see. People, so I want to watch my step because peppers and stuff. Wow. See it there, people? So you must come to Jamaica and plant your stuff. Don't just sit up there in abroad looking for retirement because you put your trees in now. Oh, that's what you do. Plow. Put your trees in now. This is all what Captain Jack Keane. Bananas. Yeah. Wow. The trench. So you didn't lose much, you just transfer.
No, all of these are what we lose.
That's what you didn't lose it though.
We plant back this what we lose.
So what I'm saying,
Plant back we lose.
look like the Almighty, even though
No for them a big planting blow down in a way, then just see the spoil because
the planting them will all.
them all these where you see a planting and them were ready to almost ready.
Did you pick them up and bring them, sell them?
No, them have no use. Them young, they no fit.
Oh,
They no fit none at all. And what make me pushing harder now? Have some people going to the market and them say, boy, yam, them see yam for 450 and 400 a pound. And it dropped now to 3. So why people them behaving like that? Yam, $400 a pound?
wow, that's expensive.
We can't believe that.
It's expensive.
Eh? They know what that they do know.
Jamaicans rich.
The what that they do know, they motivate me to do things more harder to get
$400 a
to
pound.
survive.
Jaja.
No man, we can't believe when we hear that. Me don't believe that is true.
Jaja.
No, so when we hear that, I can't believe that is true. And somebody else again, somebody else tell me the same thing.
You plant pumpkin too?
Yes man, everything gonna be here man. When we finish, you're gonna see the prettiest thing. These are catch crop potato. When we don't know, we're going to cut off it and transplant when them spread widely. So by the time we clean up and finish, start to fork, we have what to plant.
That's what me tell you, you're the greatest man. I've been working on my second book. I've been developing a lot of things. I've been just fasting, you know. I've been taking care of my health. But there's something called magnesium gel and guava gel. You see, for your back pain, if I talk to my brother, him can send one for me for you. You see the magnesium gel where you rub on your back? And also the castor oil, you know?
You know, see, I me lose up to last night.
Yeah.
But here what me do know. These are genius, you know, Randy. My people, them is like a doctor themselves. Me I grow come up, me notice and watch how them operate and see what they do. No, the thing what them call this bush is over there, so I don't remember my name. Cashew. We go cut some cashew. No move, man, that's it.
I go call. I go text my friend and see what for the back pain.
Me am sleep with you right now. Rub one of the leaf in your hand and smell it. Guinea hen.
Guinea hen?
Yeah. Just rub one of the leaf in your hand and smell it to it's strong. No, that good for headache, good for pain and all those things. And it can drink for tea. Just rub it and smell it. It's strong inside. Even when you have it in a man, I know me I smell it. Tell you what me do now. I get a plenty of it. And I wrap it into a piece of cloth that's strong. And I take the hammer and beat it. Make it come to juice like you can squeeze and juice in it. Beat it. Now I get some flour. And I throw some vinegar in the flour and some rum. This what I beat now and mix it with it. And I put it into a piece of cloth and use it and tie my back with it. Tie around my waist where the pain is.
Rum, vinegar, flour.
Yes.
With castor oil.
Yes, me put castor oil in it too.
Guinea hen.
Me use the flour now. Because the flour now hold the medicine. So you see by daylight of morning, the flour crisp dry. Everything support. That's what me do. The genius no ramping. Then now, me drink. The drinking turpentine.
What is turpentine?
What thing I'm drinking turpentine. Anything for strain. Like in your body. It clear it out. And it like information, anything. You can rub up this and smell it. Smell it strong. It's a good medicine.
I know. And it's good for the cancer too.
And that's what me do. And me tell you what me do now. Me drink some of this. Cut up the Cinco Bible with it. And boil the tea of it. Right now me have some on the stove. And drink.
You dry it?
No, green same way.
Good. Yeah, me need you to give me some.
No, that's why me there here this morning feel good as a goal again. But this morning now when me come here, I take a pain pill. That means me no get too much disturbed. So me take my time doing. When me go home now, me drink some more of that thing. The drinking turpentine is good, brother. It's for any information and any strain, anything.
Is drinking turpentine? Is a bush?
No, it's a liquid. It's a liquor bottle.
You buy it?
It's a liquor bottle at the pharmacy.
It's herbs?
Is that yes? It's a herbs. It's a herb. The name drinking turpentine. But is a pain herbs. A pain. Any farmer information on those things. Clean it out, yeah. But it's strong. You have to use. We tell how it used now, because if you don't know if you use it, you will damage yourself. You have to use a piece of straw like this. Tip it down in night and tip it in the water and the drink what you're drinking. Or if you can barely chew and make one drip, not two, you know. And if you make one drip, it's still very strong. It's a strong something, you have to know if you deal with it. Very strong. You get it? Yeah, it's very strong. Cannot use enough, will hurt you. It's very strong. Because it's a medicine. You have to use a grass straw, tip it in the night and tip it in the drink what you're drinking. In the water. You can tip it into a little warm water or cold water and drink. It's very strong. You have to know if you use it.
Captain, me at a stage in my life now where I'm happy.
Well, that's what it must be, brother. That's looking for happiness.
We give thanks for you as a friend.
Happiness, brother. That's what you're looking for, happiness.
We give thanks for everything you teach me and just being around you.
Loneliness, happiness.
Being around you is like, can you hear why now? Since me start the program, yeah, I peer elders me around, you know.
Then go you
and let me tell you, when I started hanging around with the cause what happened is the people them saw that the elders were teaching me a lot.
Because of them have the thing, brother.
Right?
Them young
the
ones don't
elders
know
were teaching me a lot. So that's why I started the program, because I know that I'm getting old. So I needed to know the wisdom.
Elders may go read and get teachment, and the teaching pass on to on and on and on. I say go.
But you teach me now about the flower.
Who me grow with, them me learn from. You understand? And me can pass it on to somebody else.
More you one day, more you to teach me how to make a drum.
It's simple.
Alright?
It's simple.
So me and you have to go hang out.
No, me I want to be. It's simple.
And you have the skin?
Yeah, me have skin. Listen to me.
Alright. Well, good.
Hardest part of the skin to get the skin clean up. That is hard.
And then more you have to teach me how to play it too.
That I simply still good. When you start to play, you know how to play.
Boy, this is
the hardest part from the drum of the skin to make the skin and the rim.
What size?
8.5.
8.5? What is your pant size? Waist size?
31.
31?
Yeah.
And you're small in shirt or medium? Medium in shirt.
Medium.
31. So 31 waist size and 28 seam? So 31, 28 probably.
You mean length?
Length.
Maybe.
Yes.
I don't remember.
Yes. Okay.
I don't remember.
All right. What are some of the things you like? Like, is it a look of radio? Is it a speaker? Is it? I know you don't drink much alcohol, right?
No, me and man love music. Me love.
You love music.
Yeah.
Do you have a stereo box or you have a music?
Me have one little amps on me yard, but wouldn't mind me get a bigger one still.
A big amps?
Yeah.
Amps?
4 amps. Me talk about big music, you know, because me don't no disturb nobody. Me tell what me do. Me have a music on me yard, but it's not proper, but me get it set up the way how me want it. I me love music, I tell you something.
Captain, I know you love music.
When me used to.
I don't think you love music more than me.
No, you can't tell me that.
All right.
Because me can't.
All right, one day.
I can't give you a hit.
Here's what's gonna happen. One day, me and you going to have a sounds clash.
No, but I thought about sound clash.
Captain Jack versus Good Life.
When it comes to music.
No, sir, you can't touch me.
Me know music, brother. No.
I tell you, I bet you when me pull for your Ella Fitzgerald, you can't pull for that.
No, you can't tell me that. I don't think you know music with me, brother.
No, but Captain Jack, you really want the sound clash?
No, you me tell you something.
Yeah.
I'm a little boy. And me love music, man. We no problem with parents and people. And if on the sound I go to me, you say they go to can't left me. That music thing make me get a whole power, man. Right now, between me and you, me have a daughter in England when me you know. And that true music make me get her.
She need a music girl.
You understand? Because it happened that's me and she meeting at the dance and he work out, that's things go on and she...
What song was playing when it work out?
And he get pregnant.
Up
So all those things happen.
up on the dance floor, brother? Where you deal with?
Listen me,
On
man.
the dance floor, Captain?
Listen me.
Come on, my brother.
Listen me. You wouldn't understand. You hear me love music, no music couldn't let me when them a go out, brother. For me, cause in my era, certain music sound we used to go out. Cause we used to have club, you know, where we have dancing contests and some things. Ready to sit down and drop out something?
Maybe my hat will drop over there, so.
No man, you take off your hat a while ago, man.
Maybe I put it over there.
Up there, so check up there, so cause you did have it and now you take
Captain, you might have world music.
it off. No, we have good music now.
But Captain, what you know about blues? Captain, Captain, you don't know who is Lightning Hopkins.
Yeah, blues, but not too love too much about blues.
Okay.
They love the reggae, dance.
You don't know who name is, you know who name is Muddy Waters?
No.
Okay, then when me draw Muddy Waters for you.
Miss, you have all it. You have to take it off.
Over there. Oh, see it there. Right here, so. Well, one day I come do a sound session. Captain, at 27,000 MP3 files me have, you know. 27,000.
You mean 27,000 what?
Each song. Me have 27,000 songs.
Well, me can't touch you.
Okay then.
Did I forget some fire?
Hey! When you say,
No, really, me love music.
well, man, I'll give you some gifts.
Yeah, me love music.
All right, so the fans will love you.
The problem with me have now is the current problem. Because me have to pay my current bill, so me can't do play too much about
Well, when you have a light speaker, you don't need to always have a big amp.
me have.
Because you know some speaker can charge from solar panel.
No, me not really want that, man. Me love me heavy music.
Yes, how it is.
Because right now it's a day come me want buy to play me music, you know, understand me?
A generator.
That me I try to tell you.
You really, so what you are trying to do with the neighborhood? What are you trying to do?
No man, me not do not with me about you, man. Me just play.
What, do you have your speakers?
Me just play to please myself and my neighbors. Because me tell you how me and my neighbors live. You see me I play music.
Yeah.
I don't turn up if you disturb them, but they love me music.
Oh.
Cause I don't play no bagger. Me just play nice sweet.
Of course, you have to know when to
Yes,
a change and balance, you know?
yes, so it come like that the father said. Because I'm just love to do what I'm doing.
You know, so me have me
I'm feeling much better.
have my mash it. I want to find a jelly in a cap.
It's very there about this place, man. There you
I go see if I can find a jelly. It's been a while. I'm gonna get a banana and a plantain. Me see the breadfruit them and then tall up. And me I say, me see them, you know. And then tall up and we not on a long stick.
But we can climb things, we climb trees if you want.
Eh?
Oh dear man, and when I tree them I see and we can climb them, but I don't know for the waist and all like
No, worry yourself. Randy's going through the wire right now, people. Subscribe and like the video if you want more videos like this. Subscribe and like the video. People, this is my life, this is your life, this is Jamaica Good Life. Hanging around with Captain Jack. We say, it's not a cub life, it's Jamaica Good Life. Big up to my friends in Seaview, Hot Feet, Kino family. We're still doing it. No, but the barbed wire fence, yeah, I see.
We see what will happen. Try to get rid of the cold, but you know what is? The fence is up there, you know, you come through over the other side, you know. And from me do that, I don't see no more cow. I don't see none of them from that time.
Oh, you mean that crossroad?
Yeah,
way up top?
Yeah, my fence, bag white like this.
Good.
And me no really saw none coming none at all from those time all them time now. So go on.
Well, let's inspect and see what's going on. So, some banana trees survived. What the coconut them? You see them one yeah? One few of them hard one yeah. Ah, Jaja, my belly. You know a piece, I want metal. I'm going to buy a metal stick, you see. I'm going to buy a piece of PVC pipe and tie a steel on it.
All of the banana them planting everything. Start to put it there. Oh, you get no planting here.
I did see one.
Yeah.
You're ready yet. You said that breadfruit tree, may I see it now?
Which one?
Yes, one. See one this. See them there right just at all.
This one, that's where you can reach.
Yeah.
One lovely one there, sorry.
Yeah.
One stick camera that you can reach it. Like we use stick. That zinc and I blow them. It's like when you see me bend this, you could bend so again. Peeling up.
Yeah.
Now listen what me use. Help me out. You climb you got to take out the thing. I want me climb out.
No, sir. I'm climbing no bad back, brother. Want to show them people. Now roast this.
Roasting the fruit that man, and it can't take it. Look at I see the breadfruit spoil up that and then it's spoil up. But roasting the fruit.
You know some me they sick. That one you're good to, right? That's cooking.
Yeah, man.
Me they sick and I think about the breadfruit them, you know.
So hey, okay, make so I love the one up there so they two man roasting the fruit. What you talk about? Okay, make you get some good breadfruit. Planning, making planning, but
see people. You can't give me neighbor.
They know how fish feed them, you know, brother. They're sweet and nice.
They're sweet?
They know how fish we say.
So wait there. Hold on.
And then you use the free roast.
Camera. Don't worry yourself, watch ya. You know, tell
easier box.
you, say.
You go and drink.
Go and drink it. No, Sam, I could have never. I could say, what go on in our life, yes, sir.
Yes, Father, thank you.
This is just like,
Man,
Captain, let me tell you something. Remember?
first time me have cane, used to sell much cane, people come and buy much cane, and me run out. No, so me plan back some cane.
You can't run out of cane,
Now
man.
me plan back cane over there, so. Used to have one for cane, me sell, man, but me, what me do? Kill out the cane, plant banana and plantain. Me used to have enough cane. Used to sell in the market. Cat man come buy can go up on the street, go sell. And now me not have none.
People, this is Randy. Love the life. Love it.
Yes, sir.
For the joy of giving thanks. Cause enough people right now, you know, some of my friends, she have stage 4 cancer.
Stage 4.
Hopefully she'll come to Jamaica for me.
That they keep off people. When you got cancer, boy, that not really sound good. Cancer is a killer. Me a one nice woman. Nice woman.
What will you say now?
Have a nice, no, that's bad, man. Then me have a nice woman and cancer take her life. You know what you want to hear the name of cancer? You live with a nice woman and a cancer take her life.
Let me borrow your last spray, sir. Let me borrow your last, sir.
Me the toughest man fi cry over death and them thing there. When me cry over that lady, you must know. I cry like a baby. Can't believe me big man that way there. Alive.
I said, I'm not it, stop it.
Now if me tool them I use very sharp. You have to be careful how you use it. I don't use dull tool. Tool them have to be very sharp.
So, well, this is the greatest life. Give thanks.
Oh God. These multi drinks. No one cook shop when me supply coconut and plantain and banana and yam. But me have no yam now.
People, this is Randy and Captain Jack and 3 coconut me drink today. Cause a long time I am making up for the storm to keep my heart warm. The one you're tough, but it's still gonna go down. The Almighty bless us.
On the dry.
You have to go help me sharp my machete. You take your time and you rub the one here. You rub the machete like you rub a woman. So baby, I'm going to sharp me like a machete. Now go take my time.
You have people who have no opportunity to have no way to plant anything or do anything.
And they want to plant.
And they want to plant and want to do something. So so everybody can do the same thing still. That's how it goes.
But still, you know, if you can't plant, you can't help somebody to plant. You just have to live good.
But help who? You see, the vice versa, that's what me say. Because sometimes you go and help somebody and somebody still not straight with you, still not feel good about it. And those are things that turn off people to do certain things.
Yeah, because I know say enough man do them construction and them man not pay them.
Then that's the thing I'm trying to show you. So
sometimes people think say
it's a vice versa thing.
Them think say they get a youth them like for just sit down and smoke. But sometimes the big man them not pay them.
And the treatment what they get.
Yeah.
Turn them off.
And the big man them have them whole gang. And war for one paycheck not right. So them just say, you know, me not even go work for them.
The treatment.
Yeah.
Is the thing about certain things in life.
I'm working with people.
And when them say you have to bow to them, then try to use you and abuse you.
Okay.
And that is it. We got through a lot of it, you know, so I know what I'm saying. When them say you have no alternative, then pressure you and use you just to survive. And them say you can do better. Oh my God, man, that them want to overcome you, man.
Well,
those people don't like the man who can help himself, you know. Because them can't get you for you too. Yeah. And poor people, big man, big up our fire, no virgin. Yeah, because them get the poor people, use them and build themselves. Yes. And when they done, them see one a dash dirty water upon you over help.
Well, we know, sir, this country is very curvy. Only as a life not too straight. And no highway this way.
Donkey said they were on a level.
Jamaicans, even though they say they're straight, they're curvy. Yeah, boy, me I tell you, they say curvy like the woman them. Eh? They not deal with you straight.
No, sir.
Some people lie just because they like, it's like lying them, my friend.
Not all of them, you have some straight, some don't.
Alright, let me tell you something.
Some straight, some don't. Some we sit down and say, Ray. And when you check it out, him is right. He not grow on the bend. But some Oh my God, man. Ah, boy.
Well, I'm kind of weak, you know, because I know say I play sardine. You know, so I go to the seaside and I buy some fish. I have to buy some fish.
No, sir.
Because the sardine and mash me up. A long time I don't left it hard. I'm
Man,
not eat the chicken no more, you know.
what really happened, the
Now some
little...
saltfish.
What really happened through the sea never too wonderful. The little change I make like me take keep me on the farm and keep me going. And pay me little bills. But this week, finish this week of farm. Next week now,
Yeah.
gonna rub the sea. Enough people are call me want fish, but me gonna see how the sea work out. Me have a plan for do one fishing. But me go look, me go get in some funds and buy the material and me want to do it. Me go and do a long line fishing. The fishing I me go and do now is like a rope me go and use with about say 100 hook or more on it. And leave it out at sea, them ready me just to take it up, take off the fish them, just like a net fishing.
Yeah.
Bait it up, leave it, and then go and take off the fish them. So me not have to hold this down the wait for the fish to bite, me just bait up that and leave it out here. Me ready, me go check on it, take off the fish them, you understand? Just like a net fishing. But me don't build it as yet, no build it and start that type of fishing. Better off.
Okay.
Call it long line fishing.
So now my heart feel good. Now me can't fall in love.
So,
And then go to dance and do some rubber dub. But me not have no picnic like you no dancing, no captain.
backside mosquito man.
That's why I get you the hat there. Me not go dance or go no picnic on no dance floor, no captain.
Man, I tell you something, man, me go dance. People love me off, you know, brother.
Eh, I say you go on.
No, really, we used to go dance, man. Hey, dance was my fun in my younger days.
Captain, I say you go on. Eh?
No, man, me love music, man. When it come to music, man, me love
I
music.
say you go on a dance. I have picnic on dance floor. So wait there.
And the woman want to try to find me for one of my brethren now. Music.
So what the woman first name? Maybe when him see the video.
Him when the messenger.
What they? So you a long time you lose contact with her?
A long time, man.
So she there in England?
England, she then.
So then, what her first name?
I forgot his name because a long time. Me a younger.
Alright, what was the dance you went to? What the name of the dance?
No, that a really name it was a fun dance. They may have like fun thing in the day like football and
Where was this?
in Cocoon,
Cocoon.
Westmoreland.
What year?
When you go April
What year?
turn for your left on the road going
What year?
at the school. A long time, man.
But tell me the year. Maybe the woman I watched the video and said, but
A good while now, man.
maybe the girl want to meet her father. You
A
know?
couple year, well, man.
Tell me the year, Captain. How old were you?
A couple year. It's about 25.
Captain,
Them
we have
ti-
to go find your daughter.
Them time there. About 25.
So your daughter is about 30?
Older than that, man.
And you mean your daughter don't know your brother?
Older than that, man. But she didn't want to try to get to me. But at the time,
Captain,
she couldn't come with me there.
it no matter. No. A daughter would have loved to know so she meet her father. I may never know say I say you go and walk this out of life, brother. How I do that? I'm going to take one of your gold medals. You know, say,
I dance meet the night, man, and she love me off, man, and say, boy, night, me have to go home with him, but she didn't live with her one of her sister, but the house was a big house.
yeah.
And about 5 hours we as friends got the house in night, but each other we match up.
in a different room. Oh no, dirty work, please. You're not even married, you're not a good fish. You're dirty.
The time I was 14 days, but a fun day.
Yes, sir. What kind of one night daughter you out here about a road and you're not even trying to find the girl? It's a dirty work.
No, it's a life, you know. A life.
So no, that's what God sent me. So the girl must have crying out, Daddy! Daddy! And next thing you girl know say a party daughter.
And then I think about life and we just have fun.
So you hear me I say? So the lady, so what we could have seen in the video where she go remember? What would she remember? Where did the house today? What color the house? What the name of the maid? You must remember her name, Miss Mavis. What the avenue name? Birch Avenue.
I can't tell you because right
Captain,
now.
you walk list. I remember.
Hey, that time the boy I don't know. Because but I say when with them time then when nice, you know, cause the man them real the man them nice and the people them so nice to you, brother. Them man them then go and milk the cow. Me tell you what we drink for we drinks now. They milk the cow. And the man them had the raw cow's milk we drinking in no scan or nothing.
Where the dance?
Yes. We just throw rum in the raw cow's milk. And that we drink raw cow's milk and rum.
That make it, no, that's why you breed the damn girl?
Me I tell you say, and then the man them have weed. Whole
Did he
bag
smoke
of
too?
weed.
Did he smoke too?
Anytime you used to smoke.
No, you're dirty. Me now bring it to
Weed.
my church. I was planning to bring it to my church.
No, them time I used to smoke, but I never smoke cigarette. I mostly
Captain,
weed.
you drink raw
I mostly weed.
Drink weed.
I never smoke anything
Bring the lady home.
in a cigarette or
Breed the
nothing.
girl and the daughter.
I know me bring him in or she bring me home.
Hey.
Say nah, left me have to come home with him the night.
He said, nah, I left you.
Nah, left me have to come home with him the night. I went to the school room, you know, because I want school compound we go play, you know.
Okay, now me getting a school name now.
Yeah, man, a school compound.
So somebody go and find out who you is. Your story out there.
What place name again? In a Cocoon. I think kinda the what kind of school again? I don't remember if I did junior but I know it's a school.
You're 25.
It's a school. So them having like them was having
How old was she?
them was having
She was good
fair
age?
thing. Yeah man, she about it to go in about this now.
Give me a good number, you know.
No, about 14, 16, about them bracket. A big woman, big girl.
Okay.
Big girl. But she young. I mean young too.
You're 25.
No, what in 25. I think me a little bit earlier than she, but she look good. I want to tell her say she was a bank management too. We work with the bank she was working.
But she was about 21 then.
About that. But in them here today. But anyway, when I dance we meet. You know, when me in come with some girl like a friend. About 5 of them coming through the dance gate and me lean back on a press, some tall press. Me lean back on one of them and did their drink and relax and everybody come in, she come in, everybody a beg a dance and everybody go to she. It's a no. Every look, I fear I make 4. I say, but this girl up to something, man. I don't understand everybody come and everybody got the dance, she nah make no move, I just me, she stand up and look and me did it, oh man, say just step up to her and beg her a dance, man. There's something wrong. Go to her, man, and beg her a dance and say go on back and soon come. When the girl come, she have on a broad belt. Go on a race when he come. take off the belt and him put it around my neck and he said, "Me want a drink." I said, "No man, me that proffer me buy you a drinks." And he said, "If the belt around my neck and him gone outside and him buying drinks." And he stand up one side and him drinking drinks. And then one next one come dance with me and him come and give him one pull and say, "Go look somebody for yourself, am I somebody that?" Drinking drinks and drinking drinks, now him come and hug me up and we start to dance. And from dancing and talking and start asking how old me is and me tell him and him a tell me how old. He say a long time when him come to a gate he see me like me, but the way me looking at the dance like a big respectable man, he should shy if he come to me. You know? So from there so we start dance and reason and get along and she get to like me. So I say dance thing go.
He's a little dirty caterpillar.
And I tell you something, you know, I hear this a story now. The Sunday morning, cause it was a Saturday night, the dance go on. Sunday morning when the truck ready to leave with the set, with the sound. Cause we play till in the morning or in the midday we leave about in the 12 o'clock. When we ready to leave, then go a farm and then carry banana and yam and all kind of something, come give me the players them because people them so nice. They're so respectable, all the whole of people them ask me when we are come back. Then just jovial, everybody just nice. You see when the truck ready, brother, we go in at the truck and the girls we go in at the truck. I want to tell you something. And this on the drama they know. The dirty girl start ball and say, you know, if you come back and look for me. Some stone start flinging at the truck, you know, say, you know, come back if you come once. You start throw some stone if you come back. Everybody start the barbecue, everybody start. So why you give that a girl so nice, make him a fling stone so if you come back. they don't make me fast if you come home. The man ain't jam at me. Me say the girl that crying the fling stones and if you come back and look for her, you know. She love me, if you come back and look for her.
And Captain?
I never get to go back.
Captain, you's a dirty caterpillar.
No, but I say go.
You make woman a fling stone off a truck and a ball, brother. Eh? I know you easy love that, you know.
You can say, if you come back.
Yes. Nobody laugh too loud because she might hear the video and say, see him there? See him there?
You say me now come back. If you come back and look for them. I think stone for real, that's how you work out.
Westmoreland, which part?
In a place to sleep, Cocoon.
Cocoon, and she had a daughter. Cocoon. You don't even know the daughter name?
No sir, Cocoon, Westmoreland.
So she then, how long then she go, so she had the daughter in a Jamaica before she go for her now, how it work?
I don't even know how we work, but I just hear in what go on.
So you, Jaja.
And people them take him over, so you understand.
So everyone should have the daughter.
Someone over foreign we take her over.
Right after the daughter?
I think I have pregnancy after, I don't sure.
Okay.
I don't have the good eye, but me here because I have a friend when living at the area we go and come where me is. And me and that guy was good friend. So him was the messenger to me now from that girl. Yeah, because him know the girl good. And him the way him there, the people them nearby where the girl is. So it's a contact between me.
People, if you don't know anybody in a foreign from England, in a cocoon, back in the days.
Westmoreland.
Westmoreland. And if there's a woman in a foreign that is in England,
that nice black lady,
that mother is from Cocoon.
Yes.
See your father there.
Sure.
If there's any woman out there that's missing a father, see him there.
Yes, sir.
You have to go take on a hold of them. If you're in England and you don't know your father, see him there. He has a lot of land for you, so come on, go and take it.
Sure. You see them days there was a fun days. Because you me love music, me used to go out all about and dance. That's why me love, that's why me telling you say, me come to the music thing. That's why I'm getting out to this Jankuno business. Because first time every year we go around street, Christmas Eve night. And I always go around with them. They have a man named Uncle Sim in Granville. Him was the leader for the Jankuno band. And every year we go on the street with them. So come we get to blow five, so come we get to build jump. I have a little coolie man, was the fifer, then call him fifer. Him blow the five. And him make teach me and show me how to build the five, how to blow it, and I learn me to blow it. And so come we can build drum and blow play five. Because me was love this sport. Every Christmas Eve night me run street with them. Because we used to stop at everybody yard like play music. Maybe a 5 minutes or a 2 minutes or a hour. And we move. So, you know, like what they call it now. People who live in the year like a hell we will be knowing. We like with the past, we stop at them yard, because we go around street, you know, people who like will be knowing like a elder people, we stop at them yard, we give them a 5 minute or 4 minute music, and we gone again. So we get like a buckler or any little thing. And we move on around street, right around every street. Every big man like who we know, like you, the elder, now we stop at your yard. Because from then here the junk, you know, are coming up, boss. Everybody hopping up. That when we mean say crowd in St. Elizabeth with them cultures. It's a form of maroon culture thing. I put in a form of culture in them days of Marcus Garvey stripe, black stripe, that kind of tradition, culture. It's a maroon thing.
Okay. In August coming up, in Scottsdale, St. Mary. I have to go. I think August 6th. I have to go. I have to go. I have to go.
So, sometime now when me there home now, me play my music and me start to play my music now, it bring me back in the days of certain things. Yeah.
Why? That was a good story.
Yeah man, that's it go.
Such
The
as,
time that we young and having fun, enjoy ourselves. Because that time now we don't have any responsibility, you understand? Never have no responsibility, just enjoy yourself. That's how you go. Once you got responsibility now is a different thing. You know, so all I do was fun over. Yeah.
Why? People, that's today. Get my shit shopping. Officially a samurai now. Samurai run. Today was an amazing day. See you later. More videos. Hit the like button. Share it on your Facebook. Take care of yourself. Jamaica, good life. It's rude. Okay, people. We got the breadfruit. Climbed the ladder, climbed the tree, ride the bike with the breadfruit. Living in Jamaica, in the good life. Onions are too big, way too big. Came by scallion here. Them scallion, they look. But you know what? No. Told you guys the fridge has been off. Why? Because I don't drink cool stuff anymore. I don't have meat in the house. And we use more the mackerel and saltfish. That's what I'm into now. So we lose the coal and we're choosing the pop chow. No, because we have so much breadfruit, we're thinking of getting something special, which would be chicken back. Because you know, sir, breadfruit and curry chicken back is a favorite. You see, so On this health journey, every now and then we change and balance. Now we're gonna get some chicken back. Now I'm gonna buy the chicken back at the good supermarket, not at the small place, because the small place the chicken back might be old. You know where the chicken back is, man? No. Thank you. Add in this. Chicken back, yes, them look fresh. Them chicken back. Yes, people. You know, people. Back. So what we're going to do now, something special. We're going to buy 2 of this, right? Because it's been a while. No, the breadfruit with the curry chicken foot too. We're going all out, people. This is huge. So we're gonna have breadfruit, curry chicken foot, and curry chicken back. We're gonna turn the fridge back on just for this special occasion. And as I told you before, no more meat in the house. What date is it? It's what date is it? It's what? It's not my usual supermarket, but the fridge has been off for a while. Now what date is it? What date is it? It's around July. So from May 26th, being in Jamaica, and it's July. Excuse me, ma'am. What date is it?
Sorry?
What date?
28.
28th? Thank you so much. So it's the 28th of July. No, my people. The hot sauce in Jamaica, they're pretty good. Is it from April, May, June, July? I mean, some just there for like near 2 months, that's it? It feels like forever. Really? Cha-cha. All right, the fridge has been off for a while, so now this is the first time I'm currying chicken back and chicken foot. So let's change and balance. No, the mango hot sauce, it's not normal in Jamaica. All right, so we'll have breadfruit in the bag on the bike. So we're gonna do something special because I'm gonna have the curry at the house. We're gonna have some scallion and peppers on the tree. The lime in the supermarket is way too expensive. Now let's take a look at that. That's $855. That would be about $6. $6 per pound. So here what? I keep telling you guys, if you buy acres of lime and plant some lime, you're rich. Lime business in Jamaica is big. Now look at all these different assortments of pepper and stuff. Living in Montego in Jamaica in a good life. So now, something I can jerk the chicken back. But me just want to curry it. And then maybe my brown stew. Another one, but me not go crazy. So this is exciting for me because just getting the breadfruit alone, sweet and spicy, and put some hot sauce on it. Then we have the Scotch bonnet pepper, the mango Scotch bonnet. That's gonna be incredible. Now that's about $5. Alright, so we're just gonna keep the pepper at the house. The green. I like buy things more at the market. Curry we have. I really scallion, thyme, and onion we need. I'll pick that up at the market or at the store. So we have some coconut oil. So we're good now. A little bit of potato will be good with it, but I'm gonna stick with the breadfruit and chicken back. Now these scallion don't look too nice. I guess it's by the pound. By the pound. But when I go get scallion, I'm gonna buy this. So I might have to just buy this. This scallion don't look too good. I'm gonna know how them sell it. We'll figure it out. I'll probably get it at my store. So that's it. We'll pick up the meat and we'll We'll leave it at that. So you see the supermarkets in Mobile, then they're nice, you know. We might have to go buy the scallion, you know. Need some onions too.
They go Arnold in. Arnold. Because you want to long time ago.
Stop recording.